Morning everybody, welcome to Tuesday's maths lesson. Are you all ready? Let's start with our usual job, which is counting to 30. Join in with me first and then we'll have a game of counting tennis. Are you ready? Here we are. Get my fingers ready. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Okay, that was good counting with me, but let's try a game of tennis now. Are you ready? Today, I want you to start with 0. So you're going to go 0, I'll count 1. Are you ready? Here we go. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15, 17, 19, 21, 23, 25, 27, 29. How was that? Well done if you got all the way through. Let's have a look at the next slide. Here we go. And it's our favourite game. Where is the bear? The bear is next to the table. The bear is next to the table, or the bear is beside the table. Where's the bear now? The bear is under the table. The bear is under the table, or the bear is beneath the table. Where is the bear? The bear is on top of the table. The bear is on top. Where's the bear now? The bear is above the table, or the bear is over the table. Can you see the bear? Where is he? The bear is behind the table. And where's the bear now? The bear is in front of the table. Now, have a little think, because what we're thinking about now is one less, or sometimes you might say one fewer. This is the number 5. And one less, or one fewer than 5 is 4. Here's the number 3. So one less or one fewer is 2. Here's the number 4. So one less than 4 or one fewer than 4 is 3. Now, what was that shape? We looked at it yesterday, didn't we? Shout it out if you know. It is a triangle. Tell me something about a triangle. It has got 3 straight sides, well done, and 3 corners. What can you tell me about those sides? They don't have to be the same length, do they? They can be short or long, or in that one we saw, they were equal, weren't they? Tell me this shape. It's gone again. It was a square. And the square shape, let's have a look, has 4 equal sides. And remember, equal means the same, so they're the same length. And it also has 4 corners. Last shape. What's this one here? And it's gone. Can you remember it's got two names? Lots of people call it a rectangle, and at school we call it an oblong. And we remember it's an oblong because it's a long shape. Remember, two sides are long, and then it has two sides that are short. And remember, it's the opposite sides that are the same. Here we go. Having a look at this 5 frame, how many? Let's do this quick. It is 2. And this one, 1. And this one, 5. And this one, 4. And here we go. That was quick, wasn't it? We're getting good at subitizing those. Now, today we are going to be making predictions. And a prediction is when you think about something and have a very good guess about what might happen. So you might predict, ooh, I think it's going to rain today. If you look outside, sometimes you can see big grey clouds, can't you? I think, ooh, I predict it's going to rain. Sometimes you might predict that it's going to be sunny weather as well. And also sometimes you might be able to predict what you have for your tea. You might go, we've not had beans and sausages for a long time. I think it might be that for tea tonight. And that's a prediction. But today we're making predictions about some maths. So let's have a look. Is it heavy? Or is it light? That's what we're going to predict. We're predicting if something is heavy or if something is light. And here we have some balloons. Now I want you to imagine you might have some balloons at your house, so you're very lucky. But if you haven't, you're going to have to think about the last time when you had a balloon. And if you were able to hold on to that balloon, was it heavy? Or was it light? What do you think? Shout out your answer. Okay, I'm not going to tell you if you're right or wrong because you're making a prediction, all right? But I think I know what might happen. Now, here we are. The balloon is heavy or the balloon is light. That's what you might say. Now, here's the next thing. Oh, a fork. Have a think about a fork. Now, you use one of these every time when you're eating your dinner, I think. Is that fork heavy or light? So you might say the fork is heavy. You might say the fork is light. Which one would you predict? I'm not going to tell you the answer. Let's have a look at the next thing, shall we? A teddy. Now, you might have a little teddy, you might even have a big teddy, but choose one that you think you could carry. And is that teddy going to be heavy or light? You might say the teddy is heavy. You might say the teddy is light. So remember, put it in your hands and think, is it light or is it heavy? Like that picture of that man carrying the rocks yesterday. Right, let's have a look at the next slide. Because I want you to see if you can find some things in your house. And it might not be all of these things I've got on the board. These are just some ideas. I've got a pen, I've got a football, I've got some books, I've got a toilet roll, I've got a bottle of shampoo. But you might have a look in your toy box and see what you can find in there. You might be able to go through some of the kitchen cupboards with a grown-up as well. Have a prediction and think, is it going to be heavy or is it going to be light? Say it first and then you can check afterwards by carrying it. Do you think you can do that? So remember, heavy or light? So the something is heavy, the something is light. And one last thing I want you to think about. Does the size of an object mean it will be heavier or lighter? So are all big things heavy And are all small things light? I want you to think really carefully about that. Do you think you can do that for me? Let me know. You can email me some photographs, or you could send a tweet as well, so we'll see how you're getting on. All right? Now, the last thing, all right? You're going to go around your house or in the classroom, all right, looking for heavy things. And I also want you to think about, is something heavier than something else? Or are they lighter? And what's the heaviest thing that you can find in your house? And what's the lightest thing? So they're your jobs for today. Let us know how you get on, and I'll see you tomorrow for the next maths lesson. Take care, everyone. Bye.